Hello, this is Ksenia with Rainbow Ranch Farms, and today I'm going to show you how I cut up a classic chicken. So instead of a cut up chicken, how do I make it a classic? So first I remove the legs, the feet, pardon me. So the feet, right? I slice in between the joint, and when you slightly bend it forward, you can actually just go gently across the skin and it'll expose that joint so that you know that you're going right in between that joint. Let's do that again. There's the joint. Let's go right in between that joint. Gently, gently. You don't have to do it quickly. Do it very slowly. There. I remove the bum. Just very easy. Oh, things are flying. When I make a classic chicken, I remove the wingtips. Because although this pile here is going to be used for making stew, stock, broth, right? Most of my customers like to use that for making soups and stocks, broth. And I remove the head and I remove the neck. I usually cut pretty low down the spine. There. And everybody does it differently. Just because I do it this way, it doesn't mean it's correct. It doesn't mean it's wrong. I've been a butcher for a very long time. I butcher pigs, cows, goats, sheep, lamb, chickens, turkeys, game birds. So, everyone does it differently. Butchery is an art. You shouldn't let anyone tell you any differently. The basics are the basics, and as with cooking, everything is basically a guideline, right? So I hope this helps in turning a whole chicken into a classic. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, be blessed.